Hey guys, what's happening? How to see only your friends' posts. So, to see your only friends' posts, you need to use Facebook's feeds feature. It filters out any pages, groups, and algorithm suggested content. So, tap the menu icon in the top right, select feeds, right? Tap the friends tab at the very top to filter out any unnecessary content. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.